In today's tutorial, we are going to build a journey to add a Typeform entry as new ActiveCampaign contact. For this, select Typeform as trigger. Choose New Form Response as trigger event. Now I'm going to select an existing connection and link the account to establish the connection. Next, choose an appropriate form ID. In steps, we have to add form details as contact in ActiveCampaign. So let's select ActiveCampaign. Choose Create Contact as action. Again, going to select an existing connection and link the account to establish the connection. Add details using Typeform add data. As we are creating contact in primary list, select primary contact list. Now that's it. We are ready with our journey. Now click on Save Changes and start the journey. Now let's go to Typeform. I'm just going to fill in the form quickly and submit it. Now let's go back to our journey. As you can see, the journey is executed successfully. Now let's go back to ActiveCampaign contacts and refresh the page. As you can see, a new contact has been added as per response received via Typeform. This way, we can build an automation journey to add Typeform entries as new ActiveCampaign contact. I hope you like this tutorial. To know more and to get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.